We're seeing Bianca 2 BHK, a lovely spacious apartment with the balcony, couple of wings. We've been here before. Hiranandani's Bianca. This is Panchmarg, posh. We've got a lovely lobby with amenities as well. Let's have a look at outside. Is leaping windows there. And there you go. You got a few societies like Sangeeta and Ratnakar. Let's go in and have a look at the apartment. 2 BHK, gorgeous one. We're seeing a 2 BHK in Bianca. This is Panchmarg, posh, Versova. Before going inside, I want to show you the lobby area. We got a lovely 2 modern high-speed elevators and 4 apartments as usual. Let's go in and have a look. Wooden flooring in the entire apartment. What a lovely foyer area. And this is a living space. They are magnanimous. They are big, huge and large apartments in Bianca. No doubt about that. Always in demand. That's a dining space out there. And this belongs to the tenant. So all the furniture and electronics will go. It's got a cute balcony here. Again with the marble flooring on the balcony. And what a lovely, gorgeous view of the mangroves. This is splendid. You got green view everywhere. Park Plaza right in front of us. And Lokhandwala view from here. Now what we have a look is we can see the living space from this angle. So everything will go. Now the fixed stuff will stay. Obviously the wooden flooring is there. And that's your foyer area. I want to show you the foyer. Have a look at the space here. Have a look at the dining, and you know you got a sofa right next to it. And what we have is a modular, lovely, gorgeous kitchen with cabinetry and fully done up everything that you need in your kitchen. Now have a look from this angle as well. You got space galore. You can work around. You got platforms all around, and you got cooktop as well. So you can place everything the way it is right now. And the staff room can be converted into laundry, dry utility, storage, whatever you like. And this can be put back into the staff room. So you have to bring your, of course the buyer does everything. They bring their furniture, electronics, so none of the stuff will stay here. I'm very intrigued about this space. This space is also provides a lot of opportunity for you to really put in your study and do plenty of stuff here. Chest of drawers could be placed here, and ample of ventilation, sunlight coming in from this side as well. So the sunlight comes in from your cross ventilation, sunlight coming from that side. It's an amazing apartment with a common bedroom is as lovely as your haven. There you go. So you got plenty of greenery on every side. You got storage. I don't want to open this. There's personal stuff in there, but look at this. This is like niche, the wardrobe in the niche, and it's gone inside the walls. Have a look at this 2 lovely cabinets in the wall. Now I can't open it because it's got stuff in here, but so much of stuff can be put aside and it cannot be jutting out everywhere. Have a look at the bedroom again from this angle. Amazing. I'm in awe of this apartment. 2 BHKs, they look like 3 BHKs. Magnificent. Common bathroom, American standard fittings, and the shower cubicle with again the marble laid out inside. What we have is a master bathroom and the master bedroom. This is a master bathroom. Brilliant. Have a look at the space here. You get inside, you got a sink, you got WC, and then your shower area here. What a lovely, gorgeous space this is. I can only hear birds chirping and the greenery around and the koel singing. So again, you got have a look, the greenery from here. That's amazing. Bianca is located in such a manner. It's blessed with its location, Panchmarg and mangroves. Very soon there'll be a bridge coming down, so the connectivity becomes even better. So great opportunity to buy this apartment. This is only on sale at the moment. I'll be mentioning the carpet area in the description. This is 2 BHK Bianca, Panchmarg, Versova. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this. Alright me guys, cheers. Mangroves facing posh 2 BHK.